back to my channel. Today I'm excited as I'll be doing a smoothie cleanse. I'm doing a smoothie cleanse because after I had COVID, I'm trying to cleanse my system and start anew. So without wasting much time, guys, let's get to it. Okay guys, so today is day one and I'm going to show you how I'm going to make my day one smoothie. This is a paid program I bought from jjsmith. You can buy it on Amazon as well. It's a book and the book has got all the smoothies and the diet as well and all the ingredients and the shopping list, and it's really cheap. It's less than $15. So I'm going to put the link down in my description box, and if you guys want to go buy the book and also do the 10-day smoothie challenge, you feel free to do that. We have some apples over here, we have some bananas and frozen fruits. We'll be using a lot of frozen fruits as that is what she recommends. And also when you make smoothies with frozen fruit, they taste really nice and it helps kind of kick away the, you know, the vegetable blah. Anyway, so guys, I'm also going to be using spinach. This is organic spinach that I bought from the commissary, and I'm also going to add flax seeds. She says you add this for fiber, as it will help with your digestion and stuff like that. So let's get smoothing. So I'm going to show you how to make the first day recipe, and this is water that I have. It's about 2 cups. This is a medicine jar. It's about 24 ounces. That's a lot, but I'm not going to put all the water. So this is my smoothie. I hate wheated spinach. Ugh. So for the smoothie, she says a handful. It's a bit more than a handful, but you can never go wrong with greens, right? So this should be, 3 cups. So this is 3 handfuls or 3, yeah, she says 3 handfuls. Okay, yeah, let me wash it. You go, you put your spinach in there. You pour the water in. This is about, okay. So when you're blending your smoothie, always start with your vegetables and then you can put your fruits. The diet calls for 1 cup of mango or mangoes. Let's see, frozen mangoes. That's a cup. So I'll put it in there. I'll just pour that. That was like maybe 3 left. It also calls for strawberries. Okay guys, so here are my diced apples or sliced, and just put them in there. So let's blend. Okay guys, so at this point I'm going to add my flax seed or flax seed. Recipe asks for 2 tablespoons, and you can also add like a pack of stevia. I'm not a fan of artificial sweeteners, and I'm not just a fan of sweets to start with, so I'm going to skip that part. So my smoothie is done, guys. So then I'm just going to, let's see, can I show you? Oh my god, I wanted to do like, you know, the professional where you see the smoothie going. Okay, yeah, it didn't work. We're not going to do that again. It was a big mishap, but let's move on. The show continues, right? So we're going to take the smoothie lid off and we're going to pour this delicious smoothie in here. Okay, this will be for my snack, and this will be for my snack. Okay guys, so this is the amount of smoothie that came out from the recipe. These are about 12 ounces cups, and so they're bigger, so this will be enough. At least I can have 1 for lunch and I can have 1 for dinner, and this can be my snack as well. And so for me, what I'm going to do is, I've done this before, so I prefer to eat my like have an apple for breakfast, like fruit for breakfast. Or if I'm doing intermittent fasting, I just won't eat until like 12, but I'll allow myself to have like an apple in the morning with a cup of tea, and then that'll be good. So these are the smoothies, guys. So here are the lids. I have the other lids, I don't know where they are. So this is how you close it. So this is there just to protect your mouth when you drink, because it's sharp and prickly, this. So when you're storing it with, like I'm taking it to work, I use this to close it, and then I'll just open this and drink. Or if I want, I can get a straw. So then I'll preserve it in the fridge. I'm going to drink this one, and then I'll store this one for a snack later. Here is how the smoothie looks like. It looks green and healthy. I feel healthy just by looking at it. Also, guys, the program recommends that you have 2 snacks a day. You can either have 2 apples, or you can have apples, or you can have celery, eggs, and stuff like that. So this is what I'll be eating. I like to make things easy for me. I don't like to complicate stuff. So this is like the snack that I'll be having. This is like a tablespoon of peanut butter, which is recommended in the program, and a sliced apple. So this is one of the snacks that I'll be having. And also, she allows you to have 2 boiled eggs, and you can have deviled eggs, or you can just have them like this. And you're allowed to have carrots or celery as well with some mayo. You know, I can put that. So I'll probably be making my concoction, but this is snack number 2. Or you can have like a handful of, maybe not even a handful, like some nuts or cashews or whatever you want, and you're allowed to have that. So this is like a portion with a cup of tea. That'll be great. She also asks you to have a cup of detox tea in the morning and in the afternoon, and you are allowed to have tea during the day. So I'm a rooibos fan. If you guys have ever had rooibos before, oh my god, it is perfect. It's very silky, it's smooth when you take it. This is a South African tea, and it's organic. It's a South African tea, and it's really nice. If you haven't tried rooibos, you try it and you will love it. So I'll probably be having like a cup or 2, because I'm a tea girl. I'm a tea person, so I can have tea all the time. So I'm excited about that. So guys, this is my program. This is what the program will consist of. I'll be having smoothies in the morning. So I'm supposed to have smoothies the whole day, and these are the snacks that I'm allowed to have.